Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn relative pronouns for intermediate English learners, who, which, that, with Tagalog support. Let's get started. Introduction. Every day, we talk about people, places, animals, and things. Sometimes we want to add more information about them without making many short sentences. To do this, we use relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, and that. These words help us connect ideas and create more detailed and interesting sentences. In this lesson, we will learn how to use relative pronouns correctly in complex sentences and compare them with the Tagalog connector na to make learning easier. Learning objective. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify and correctly use relative pronouns who, whom, whose, which, and that in complex sentences. Relative pronouns connect two ideas and give more information about a noun. Common relative pronouns. Relative pronoun used for Tagalog idea. Who, people, na or na siyang. Whom, people, object. Na / na siya. Whose, possession. Na may / na ang. Which, animals and things. Na, that, people, animals, and things. Na. Number 1. Using who for people. Pattern. Noun plus who plus verb. Examples. The girl who sings beautifully is my sister. The teacher who helped us is kind. Tagalog. Ang batang babae na maganda ang pagkanta ay kapatid ko. Ang guro na tumulong sa amin ay mabait. Number 2. Using whom for people receiving the action. Pattern. Noun plus whom plus subject plus verb. Examples. The woman whom I met yesterday is a doctor. The student whom the teacher praised was happy. Tagalog. Ang babaeng nakilala ko kahapon ay doktor. Masaya ang estudyanteng pinuri ng guro. Tip. In everyday English, who is often used instead of whom. The woman who I met yesterday is a doctor. Number 3. Using whose, showing possession. Pattern. Noun plus whose plus noun plus verb. Examples. The boy whose bicycle was stolen cried. I know a teacher whose daughter studies abroad. Tagalog. Umiyak ang batang lalaki na ninakaw ang bisikleta. May kilala akong guro na ang anak ay nag-aaral sa ibang bansa. Number 4. Using which for things and animals. Pattern. Noun plus which plus verb. Examples. The book which is on the table is mine. The dog which won the contest is famous. Tagalog, ang aklat na nasa mesa ay akin. Ang asong nanalo sa paligsahan ay sikat. Number 5, using that, people, animals, or things. Examples. The student that answered correctly received a prize. The car that my father bought is new. Tagalog, ang estudyanteng sumagot ng tama ay nakatanggap ng gantimpala. Bago ang sasakyang binili ng aking ama. Relative pronouns in complex sentences. Relative clauses can appear inside longer sentences. Example 1. The teacher who teaches English gave us a project that requires creativity. Tagalog, ang gurong nagtuturo ng Ingles ay nagbigay sa amin ng proyektong nangangailangan ng pagkamalikhain. Example 2. The student whose notebook was lost found it in the library, which was still open. Tagalog, natagpuan ng estudyanteng nawala ang kwaderno niya ito sa silid aklatan na bukas pa noon. Example 3. The book that you recommended is the one which helped me improve my English. Tagalog, ang aklat na inirekomenda mo ang siyang nakatulong sa akin upang mapabuti ang aking Ingles. Quick rules. Use who for people. Use whom when the person receives the action. Use whose to show ownership. Use which for things and animals. Use that for people, animals, or things in defining clauses. Challenge. Combine these sentences using a relative pronoun. Number 1. The boy is my cousin. He lives in Manila. I bought a laptop. The laptop is very fast. We visited a woman. Her son is a pilot. Possible answers. Number 1. The boy who lives in Manila is my cousin. I bought a laptop that is very fast. We visited a woman whose son is a pilot. These structures help learners move from simple sentences to more advanced natural English. For young learners, comparing English relative pronouns with the Tagalog connector na often makes the concept easier to understand. So, this video answer about relative pronouns for intermediate English learners, who, which, that with Tagalog support. Thanks for watching.